Artificial intelligence, you've probably heard the term everywhere. The news, YouTube, social media, but what does it actually mean? And let's break it down super simple. AI is when machines learn to do smart things that normally need a human brain. For example, like thinking, recognizing, deciding, solving problems, those kind of things. Think about your phone. When it unlocks using your face, that's AI. When Netflix recommends a show you end up loving, that's AI as well. When you talk to a voice assistant and it understands you, that's right, AI again. Here's an easy way to picture it. Imagine teaching a kid what a cat looks like. You show them one cat, and then another, and then another. After a while, they can spot a cat instantly. AI works kind of like that, but instead of seeing 10 cats, it might see millions of cat photos. It starts to notice patterns, pointy ears, whiskers, fur, so later on when it sees a new picture, it can say, yeah, that's a cat. It didn't think like a human, it just learned from data, from various data points. And AI can do way more than those examples. It can help drive cars, translate languages, answer questions, play complex games, and even help doctors find diseases faster, thank God. So the simplest way to say is this: artificial intelligence is technology that helps machines learn, make decisions, and solve problems in a human-like way. And here's the crazy part: we're still just at the beginning.